Hi everyone, I'm Lesterfran Sabal, and together with my group mates, we're going to talk about sexual health and hygiene. According to World Health Organization in 2002, sexual health is a state of physical, emotional, mental, and social well-being related to sexuality. It is not merely the absence of disease, dysfunction, or infirmity. Now, what is hygiene? Hygiene refers to conditions or practices conducive to maintaining health and preventing disease, especially through cleanliness. Hygiene practices are employed as preventive measures to reduce the incidence and spreading of disease for the preservation of health. Importance of sexual health and hygiene. Sexual health is important because it enables people to take charge of their reproductive health and their emotional well-being surrounding their intimate relationships. There are two main reasons why sexual health and hygiene is vital. First, it reduces the chances of getting infections down there and leading to more significant issues such as infertility. Second, it diminishes the possibility of contracting all sorts of sexually transmitted diseases. Hygiene and health become things that we want to maintain and improve on our own, but what we don't realize that it's sometimes necessary to start new habits regarding our hygiene, especially when we become sexually active. It's also significant to note that good hygiene is essential for safe sex and can also make intercourse more enjoyable for both you and your partner. One last thing, a good sexual life is an act of self-love. Now, let's move on to male hygiene. How to keep a penis clean. It's the body part that men arguably value the most, so you owe it to your penis to always keep it clean, healthy, and fit for purpose. According to Patrick French, a consultant physician in sexual health, it's really surprising how many men don't clean underneath their foreskin. Not only do they regularly develop complications from poor hygiene, but it's also very off-putting for a sexual partner. How to eliminate off smell on testicles and pubic area. First, too much washing with soap and shower gels can cause soreness, so please avoid it. Second, these areas need frequent washing to stop sweating from accumulating, especially as they are enclosed in underwear for most of the day. Third, make sure the area between the base of the testicles and the anus is also clean and odor-free. Lastly, look out for any unusual lumps or swellings in your testicles that weren't there before. Hygiene is not just for men, it is also for women. Proper vaginal hygiene. First, wash the area with warm water daily, even if you skip a shower. Second, avoid using scented soap and gels. Third, after using toilet, wipe it from front to back. Fourth, don't shave the entire pubic area. Lastly, change tampons, pads, and liners at least 4 to 5 times a day. One main risk for poor sexual health and hygiene is unplanned pregnancy. Gladly, there are tips on how to prevent and control in this kind of situation. First is comprehensive sexuality education. Second, prevention of unintended pregnancy, use of effective contraception, including emergency contraception. Lastly, provision of safe, legal abortion. Consequences of having poor sexual health and hygiene. Consequences of poor sexual health. A lack of sexual and reproductive health services can also lead to the spread of sexually transmitted diseases such as HIV. This directly impacts on the health, well-being, and livelihoods of families and can be particularly dangerous if those with the disease have not been able to access health services to diagnose or treat their illness. There are also consequences of having poor hygiene. First, body odor. Second, bad breath and other oral health concerns. Third, adverse impact on your social life and presentation. Lastly, adverse impact on your career and dampens your romantic life. I hope you've all learned today about sexual health and hygiene. Bye!